So in the second part of the video, we will understand about the concept of osmosis. So it is the movement of solvent from the region of its higher concentration to the region of its lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. Two things to be kept in mind while writing for the definition of osmosis. First, that movement of solvent take place, and second, it has to pass through a semi-permeable membrane. Example of semi-permeable membrane, it includes whisking tube, a cell membrane, or an egg membrane. Okay, then we have is the difference between diffusion and osmosis. So in diffusion, what happens? The solute molecules, they move from high to low concentration. But in case of osmosis, solvent molecules move from low to high solute concentration. If you have to write here solvent, then you will write from high solvent concentration to low solvent concentration. And if you are writing solute, then you have to write from low to high solute concentration. Means wherever there is more amount of water, water will move from there to the part where there is less amount of water. Then we have is three types of solutions: hypertonic, isotonic and hypotonic. In case of hypertonic, what happens? The fluid which is there outside a cell, it has a high solute concentration. In case of isotonic, the concentration of solute outside and inside the cell, it is same. And in case of hypotonic solution, the fluid which is there outside the cell, it has a lower solute concentration.